What is going on with these allergies? Oh my goodness. I need some help, and I'm wondering if any of you have any little go-to magic remedies that you can share. I'm doing some hot water in the morning. My neighbor suggested a knockoff brand of Allegra. I tried that last night and I slept way too long. So help. Salt water I've tried. The gargling. Delicious, I know. But I'm open to anything. And, well, that's legal. Fill me in. What do you got? Hit me with it.